point. Numerous choke slams, the running power slam. Strowman's not done yet, and now he's hauling the carcass of Matt Hardy up the ramp. And where the hell is Strowman taking Hardy?
Strowman's taking Hardy home as a souvenir.
Well, I don't like this.
Jimmy Braun's gonna mount Matt on his wall.
Oh my goodness, we've seen Strowman. We've seen Strowman have this look in his eyes before, and there's Rollins, and there's Reigns, and there's Ambrose. The Shield is here.
What do you call it? The Hounds of Justice?
We know the history between Strowman and all three members of the Shield in recent months. Individually, now Strowman's staring at all three Hounds.
But Strowman has not taken a step back. Strowman holding his ground against the newly reunited Shield. And think about what Strowman has put all three of these men through in recent past. Reigns off the Tron. And now the assault to Rollins and Ambrose. And again, like a pack of wolves, Rollins and Ambrose on Strowman.
The Hounds of Justice are going monster high.
A vicious spear by Reigns. Strowman is down momentarily. And now again, the pack mentality of the Shield. It's been years since we've seen this. Reigns and Ambrose and Rollins.
The united front of the Architect, the Lunatic, and the Big Dog, overwhelming Braun Strowman.
Corey, we used to call it the numbers game. The Shield with the advantage, and they have the advantage on Strowman. The monster among men is down. Oh my God, get the hell out of here. Oh my God. Reigns and Rollins tearing apart our announce table. And now they've got Strowman. They've got Strowman.
Are they going to be able to do it?
Are they going to try to do this?
It's a 385-pound monster.
Reigns is calling for it. Here it is. Strowman's up top. The Shield bomb as the table implodes. The Hounds of Justice have mauled the monster. What an historic night! Ladies and gentlemen, it is electric on Monday Night Raw!
What was once the most dominant force in sports entertainment doesn't seem to have missed a beat.
The Shield is back!